Hi everyone, it's Genene with a short morning yoga warm-up, all about devoting some TLC to your feet. Let's begin standing in Tadasana. No props are needed, so all you need to do is find yourself standing tall with your feet hip bone width apart. Now grounding yourself down into the earth. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And then exhale slowly, releasing any tension that you're feeling in your body. Allow the earth to take that tension, filling you with that calming energy, safety and security. Now let's get a little bit into the feet. Gently, single heel raises. So lift the left heel off of the ground, coming onto the ball of the left foot, and then switch sides. Lift and lower. One more each side, lift and lower and lift and lower. Let's stretch the top of our feet. You can always do this grabbing onto the back of a chair if you need balance, but come onto the top of your left foot. And what's important here is look at your ankle and make sure it's in line with the foot. So I'll show you what can happen is you sickle the foot and then you're destabilizing the ankle. We don't want to do that here. Feel the stretch across the front of your foot and then go to the other side. So you'll notice that you are in charge here of how much pressure you put on the top of your foot. How intense should it be for you today? Letting go of where it should be or shouldn't be. The should is about you and your body having a conversation. And now this is the fun bit. So you might need a chair again for balance, because we're going to lift both heels up. Remembering that you want the ankles to be over the heels, draw your outer shins in first, strategically before you get up, otherwise it's too late. And then inhale, lift the heels, and exhale, lower. And again, as you're inhaling, push down through the ball of the big toe, exhale, lower down. Gazing straight ahead at something that's not moving, getting the heels as close to over the balls of your feet as you can. And lift. Maybe you can lift a little higher now that you're getting warmer. And then one more. And then lower everything down. Let us just get the ankle a little warm because it's attached to the foot. So stand on your left leg and then draw circles with your foot. Circle the ankle. We're increasing the mobility of the ankle here. Now go to the other side, circling the other side. And now stand on your right leg. So you get a little balance here too. Balancing on your right leg, lift your left foot up, circling the ankle. And other direction. Come back to Tadasana. Check in. How does this feel in your body? Inhale here, and then exhale. Walk your hands down your legs. Lift up on your kneecaps as you bow forwards into a forward fold, Uttanasana. So you're connecting your hands either with the front of your legs, or if you can reach the floor, maybe out in front of you, maybe to the side of your feet, whatever works for you today. Strong legs supporting this action, feel the hamstring stretching. And then again, to feel that stability, make sure you have enough room behind you. And then inhale and step your left leg back. Toes are tucked under. So you're on the ball of the left foot. And the left knee goes down. Left hand underneath left shoulder, either on fingertips or hand flat, doesn't matter. Inhale, right arm up to the sky. Twist. And then exhale, hand comes down. Step the left leg forward to meet the right, another opportunity to stretch hamstrings. And then inhale, the right leg back, right knee comes down. Right hand underneath right shoulder. Inhale, stretch left arm up to the sky. Enjoy the twist. Enjoy the opening in your back foot. Notice that. Sometimes we take that part for granted. And then exhale, hand comes down. Right foot comes forward to meet the left, Uttanasana. Keeping with our theme of security, stability that we feel when our feet are connected with earth. Let's connect our hands to the front of our shins and walk ourselves up to Tadasana, mountain pose. Low belly lifting to support that action. And notice where you feel better here than when you began. And let's keep going. Come down onto your knees and then sit down onto your heels for Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. Hands can stay on your thighs here. So let's strengthen our ankles a little bit. Hands on the floor. Lift your hips, join your knees together, your ankles, your feet, everything glued together. Slowly draw your pelvis down on towards your heels and move slowly so that you're not feeling pain. Intensity is okay, but not actual pain. And this depends on your flexibility, whether you stay here, hands on the floor, or hands in front of your heart, if that's okay for you. Take a breath here. Take another one. And then hands can come to the floor so that you can tuck your toes under and connect everything together. Again, keep squeezing them in and sit down onto your heels. Now, for some people, this will be much more challenging. If you have any arthritis in your toes, you might find that this is not going to work for you, and that's okay. You're doing what you can do. And then, again, keep your hands there or hands in front of your heart and take a few breaths here. Let yourself feel the opening in your feet. Enjoy. Imagine your feet saying, oh, thank you. This is, okay, a little bit uncomfortable, but thank you for taking care of me. Hands down to the floor. And now, just gently uncurl the toes and tap the feet. Yes. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Dandasana, get a little back strengthening out of it. Stretch your legs out in front of you. And circle the ankles, just one direction. Being careful to keep that low back up and in, low belly up and in. And then circle the ankles the other direction. And notice how your feet feel. Maybe there's a lot more sensations in your feet. They feel maybe a little more alive. And congratulations, you've completed your 10-minute morning yoga for the feet. I look forward to hearing in the comments what you liked best about this practice. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.